Hello.
Hello.
Yakra dibini bukhakte param ganang hamulo jamate no lamsago.
Do sagrat.
Kisa sekarang Gazette of India notification rimane 31 December 2024 jorate illegal Bangladeshi fine rogno India ni hadina ini purok salai tongmane abon kisa sagade.
Sangon hambai. Almost 1st September 2025 Ministry of Home Affairs ngai. Borok kaisar notification rokha. Ke jin organization TSF ngai jeng lokha kina logo jeng press release bukai ka mi afra. Dabo borok oro jeng temano ka hamale. Je borok cut off their romani among 31st December 2024. Dabo jeng TSF Citizenship Amendment Bill ni simisi jeng protest kai femani. Amak simia. Therefore, the 1968 in movement ngai tongmani. The illegal migrants hono te. Tapo Citizenship Amendment Bill in 2014 jora borok cut off their rokha. Approach jeng TSF state-wide protest khai sini student leader on sakawo open fire bu khai jata. Tapo approach mane nai ya. Tapo bahai ke government of India borok knowingly borok te waisha omta hai ta honai date no date extend khai 2024 jora borok ta ofika boni bagai jeng TSF definitely omono jeng strongly action nanai. Not only the Bahasa Simi Oma Efekangana, but Northeastern state in nationwide. Tabok, Jungoto Northeastern leaders of Bajun Kok Sai Tongo, Bahaka movement get out and Amujung, Bustan Salot Shiwan.
Esem bukake tam wansok tong tabuk.
Ladi Junto Salai Tongo, but Tani Homolo Omo Tirpan issue Shimia. Omo India Gananga Borok notification of data. So, Jung Bahaki carry out Kanation movement. Amo jeng salai nai e daji no jeng tahonai plan out the action carry out khai jagon haipana ang lukron amno saga musugo jeng tiarma tong nai tani homala amo jini future generation ni bagai belai no kirima sungsa tani homale jeng haine se minority ongai tong tabo government of India ujin initiative namani amo sungno kusu komoro sinai boni bagai jini borok amo mabu sinai o je Government of India jomo rules of family omo chin belai kirima singsa sun khorang mati sana definitely TSF ready to te notice level hai ke national level sun bhagi tlang mana omo chongwa sogoi jeng bostan sa jong saklaya na
Bufuro roga amon ti khorang ti sana
salai tongo jeng tani hamale main ke action plan khai tong bhagi omo kera kore tani hamale angte singsa ka omo chin te prahasan bagi simia but India ganang ni omo implement na ngi thangi tongma ba jeng Jotto Toros Tanai TSF part of nation was the national leader who Cox Halaiton. So almost Halagi, Bahaki carry out Kanai, they jung Bahaki protest Kanamro Salagi, and Buskan Salati that innocent Saklayan. I put some TSFs in a house anytime ready to was on Korapisanai, some that innocent Nayang Kakayut.
Paitagon no hambaya personal jara remember yakaretivo.
No, Belai.